scientific technique. Yeah.
So how's that looking?
You can try it.
Oh,
So we're thinking maybe now we'll try to do something different.
carefully grind that.
Doesn't sound like he wants you to pound the shit out of it. Yeah, I mean we can. I just got.
Well, she's just so rotten how she works everybody over, and then like as soon as everyone leaves, she's dead quiet.
Luna, were you begging for snacks again?
Yeah.
Of course she is.
That's what I do when everyone's in
She's like, I'm the snack begging machine.
Plus, you got these nice little divots in there. Yeah. Pre-drilled.
Oh, Wick's using the. Are you using the nice punches?
Yeah, to center punch it.
I remember when you bought those.
Yeah, that's a nice punch set.
Those will not shatter on you. Those are. That's the good shit. That's a stare-at set. That's very nice. That's good stuff.
That's a cool
Is it so crowned? I don't know. It's...
here.
Ooh, that's a nice.
Quality, huh?
Wick.
Yeah.
That's a good little.
Huh?
Where are box wrenches?
Second drawer down.
On the left or the right?
In the center of the big drawers.
Oh, big door.
I think you are moving it, but you definitely.
It is moving. I can see it.
Okay. You think I should do a smaller punch maybe? So yeah.
Mushrooming it so bad, yeah. I'd be afraid of shattering it. Be careful.